Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is March 27. This is Henry. Let's take a look here, guys. Today we're going to be looking at S&P 500 E-mini futures, ES, 60 minutes time frame. We can see right here we completed WX, which is a double correction structure, and then the Y leg now is in progress, and the Y leg is in the form of a three waves. So we finished A leg here, so in the form of a zigzag, A here, B here. Now looking to finish the C leg down, and as we finish the C leg in the black degree here, which is the minor degree, sorry, this is the minute degree, then it's gonna be also ending the Y here. Okay, so as we finish C, we finish the Y as well. So let me zoom out to give you some ideas where we are. Here is the daily time frame. So we completed this entire rally that started from April 2025. So the current pullback here is at the least, at minimum, is a correction against this entire rally from April 2025. So it's almost a year rally. Okay, so if we copy this W and the X, then the W and the X position is right here. Okay, so the pullback so far, okay, it doesn't look very impulsive. It looks still a regular control sort of pullback, not becoming impulsive, at least not yet. And assuming this is the W and X, which is what we are showing here, right? That means we can forecast the next potential target, which is the 100% extension area over here. So we're going to be looking for a downside target to around 63.91 and 61.10. Okay, so so in the shorter cycle, we completed the P, and then now starting to turn lower again. And as long as we stay below the P, and more importantly below the X, we should see, or we could see, further downside extension now. And any rally short term is expected to fail in 3 swing or in 7 swing for further downside, with a potential target to 61.10 and 63.91. Okay, so that's the update for today. As always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. You can use the link in the description. So I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.